Now let's discuss about a roadmap of this course. This roadmap will guide you step by step from the basics to advanced concepts, ensuring you gain the skills needed to build real world applications with confidence. Here I have prepared 8 steps and we will go through them one by one. Let's dive into that. In the step 1, that is the basics, the foundation of C Sharp. Before we build an application, we need a strong foundation. In this step, we will cover data types, operators, data conversations, arrays, conditional statements, loops, and methods, the fundamental building blocks of C Sharp. Why is this so important? Data types ensure proper value storage, operators perform calculations, and loops handle repetitive tasks efficiently. Methods allow reusability, and data conversations manage different formats. These basics are essential for writing structured programs. Once you are confident about this step, you will be ready to write simple programs like a pro. Second step. This is object-oriented programming concepts. Now let's bring structures to our code. In this step, we will cover classes, constructors, properties, static members, namespaces, inheritance, abstraction, and formalism. Key principles of OOP that improve code organization and reusability. Why is this so important? This step. Actually, classes structure your code, constructors initialize the objects, and properties provide controlled access. Inheritance promotes code reuse, abstraction hides unnecessary details, and formalism allows method flexibility. These concepts help in building scalable applications. Once you are confident with this step, you will be writing structured and reusable code. Next, step 3, methods and asynchronous programming. Code should be efficient, not slow, right? In this step, we will cover methods, parameters types, tasks, async and await calls, extension methods, and exception handling. These techniques that enhance efficiency and responsiveness in applications. Why is this step is important? Methods make code reusable, parameter types allow flexibility, and async and await prevent applications from freezing. Tasks enable multi-threading, and exceptions handling ensures program run smoothly without unexpected crashes. So once you are confident in this step, you will be able to build fast and responsive applications. Next, step 4, collections and data structures. Actually, data is so important and data is everything, but managing it is like a real skill. In this step, we will cover arrays, array list, dictionaries, hash table, hashes, and tuples. These are essential data structures that help store and organize information efficiently. So this is very important step because arrays store fixed size data, lists allow dynamic storage, and dictionaries provide fast key value lookups, hash table optimize searching, hash shades prevent duplicates, and tuples group make multiple values together. These structures improve performance and memory usage. Once you are confident in this step, you will be able to manage data efficiently like a pro. Next step is access modifiers and assemblies. Not all code should be accessible by everyone. So in this step, we will cover access modifiers. Here, keep in mind, not all code should be accessible by everyone. In this step, we will cover access modifiers like private, protected internal, and public, and assemblies. These are key concepts that ensure data security and proper application structuring. Why is this important? Protected internal, and public. These are control code access, ensuring data security and modularity. Assemblies help organize code into reusable components. Applying these principles prevents security risks and maintains clean project architecture. Once you are confident with this step, you will be writing secure and well structured applications. Next step is delegates and lambda expressions. Actually, functions in C# are powerful, but what if we could pass them around like objects, right? So in this step, we will cover delegates, anonymous methods, lambda expressions, and built-in delegates. These concepts that enable dynamic and event-driven programming. Why is this important? Delegates allow methods to be passed as an argument. Lambda expressions simply function definitions, and built-in delegates like func and action improve reusability. These techniques make C# programming more flexible and efficient. Once you are confident with this step, you will be writing more dynamic and efficient code. Next step is solid principles and best practices. Good developers write a code. Great developers write maintainable code. Right? So in this step, we will cover solid principles, design patterns, and best practices. So these are essential guidelines for writing scalable, structured, and bug-free software. Why is this step is so important? Actually, solid principles ensure that modular maintainable code, design patterns provide standard solutions to common problems, and best practices improve readability and performance. These principles help create professional grade applications. So once you are confident with this step, you will be writing industry standard maintainable code. So that last step, that is step 8, real-time project hands-on implementation. Keep in mind, theory is nothing without practice. Right? Now it's time to build something real. In this step, we will focus on real-time projects, students' assignments, and hands-on implementations to ensure your learning and prepare you for job interviews. Why is this important? Real-time projects provide hands-on experience, assignments, which is useful for learning and problem-solving skills, improve your debugging skills and application structuring. These practical tasks help you transition from student to professional. Once you are confident with this step, especially this step 8, you will be ready to work on real world projects. So now, congratulations. You have successfully completed the roadmap to mastering C#. You are now ready to build real world applications, write clean and efficient code, and tackle any technical challenge with confidence. Stay committed, keep practicing, and soon you will land your dream job in IT. This is just the beginning. You are now a C# developer in the making. Keep pushing forward.